Take a moment to check out the 2022 Hyundai Kona. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Every drive is fun and fresh in this agile and versatile Kona. This subcompact crossover SUV prioritizes enjoyment thanks to easy touchscreen infotainment, tech-savvy amenities, a comfortable cabin, and spirited handling. What's more, its advanced safety features give you the confidence to relax and enjoy the ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun, moonroof, 4-cylinder engine, fog lamps, backup camera, lane keeping assist, keyless start, premium sound system, power driver seat, alarm, blind spot monitor. Don't miss the chance to drive a fresh sense of fun into your daily commute. Get into this agile and connected Kona. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.